Hey everyone, Matt King of the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you just search for King Piers LLC while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are getting the final preparations set for the concrete delivery for our bulkhead walls here in Independence. So we have our entryway here on the front porch. We saw cut this square hole, nice and neat, dug down a couple feet, and then inward to that opening where all that brick is missing. If you go back and look at our other videos, we've detailed this from the inside. We have our chute in place, plastic up, another little board here to just make sure we keep everything as nice and neat as we possibly can. We're in the process right now just firming up the ramp we're going to use, and then here in about 20 minutes or so the concrete should be here, and we're just going to be wheeling quite a few wheelbarrow loads of concrete and then vibrating that once it's behind our forms to make sure that we get every area filled with high strength concrete to make sure these bulkhead walls are as structurally sound as we can possibly make them. So stay tuned for more updates. We'll have another video here probably within the hour or two as we progress on this project. We'll probably take a detailed look from the inside, just showing our interior crew, getting everything evened out with vibrating the concrete. So again, you can find those updates on our YouTube and Facebook channels, King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.